Chromosomal aberrations, specifically inversions. An inversion is when a segment of chromosome is removed, turned 180 degrees, and is then reinserted. If the segment includes the centromere, it is pericentric. If it does not include the centromere, it is paracentric. Individual 1 has these two homologous chromosomes. I can tell the first one does not have any inversions because it is in alphabetical order. The second one, though, does have an inversion, and it includes the centromere, so it is a pericentric inversion. They are not the same, so they are heterozygotes. During prophase 1, when the homologs pair up, an inversion loop will form in order to line up the matching alleles. If a crossing over event occurred between J and K, it would look like this. There are two non-recombinant strands that look just like the original, and those are the blue strand and the pink strand. And you can see the gamete it produces down here. The purple strand, though, will follow this way, it will hit the crossing over, and then it will come back around through here, and it will produce this gamete. Then the orange one will go like this, it will hit here, and it will come back along the purple line, and it will produce this gamete. Since these two gametes have repeats and are missing some of the alleles, they'll be non-viable. Individual 2's homologs are identical, making this a homozygote. Neither of them are in alphabetical order. There's an inversion here. It includes a centromere, so it is a pericentric inversion. During prophase 1, when the homologs pair up, all of their alleles will align, so there will be no loop formed. If a crossing over event occurred between K and J, it would look like this, where the blue strand and the orange strand would produce gametes that would be non-recombinant and look like this, while the purple strand would go along here, hit the crossing over point, and finish off as pink, and would look like this, while the pink strand would start here, hit the crossing over point, and then become the purple strand, and it would look like this. They would all be viable because they all have every allele and no duplications. Fitness is the ability to survive and reproduce. Since individual 2 produces 4 viable gametes while individual 1 only produces 2 viable gametes, individual 2 is twice as fit as individual 1.